Do you often find yourself looking for a folder on your computer that's hidden down deep in the folder structure? Maybe something that you use quite often and you wonder, "Guy, isn't there a faster way to get to folders I use all the time?" Welcome to Finding Folders Fast, a quick tutorial that's going to walk you through the process of being able to find things quickly on your computer with just a simple right click. It's called Folderguide, and I'll show you where to download it in a minute. But basically what it does is it puts a little right-click icon when you're in Windows Explorer. So when you're navigating your folder structure, if you right-click on a particular folder, it'll show Folder Guide and give you an option to quickly jump to folders you use all the time. And they might be deep, and a lot of times these change over time. So you want to switch them up very quickly. So you have this other folder that says Add to Folder Guide, and you can quickly add to this list or delete from this list by basically just right-clicking. It's a great tool. Let me show it to you. Okay, where do you find it? At softpedia.com. You can find it just by going to Softpedia and running a search for Folderguide. This is Folderguide 1.2 if I click on it. And then if I come over here and click download, it'll give me the opportunity to download it. You get it off of freeware365.com as well. And so then I'll pick a mirror, and I'm using a download manager so it'll look a little bit different for you. And I hit open, and I run the installation. Now let me give you a specific example of what I mean. Let's say I've got a folder structure like this that starts all the way back at My Documents, and then I drill down into Personal, and I go into some of my subfolders and some of my subfolders underneath that. And then way down under in here, I want to maybe find this particular folder quite often because I'm working on a project. All you got to do is right-click on it, and you'll get a little context-sensitive menu, and you can see Folder Guide. And this is where I can actually hit Add to Folder Guide. And then if I ever, and it tells me that it added it. And now if I ever want to get back there, I don't necessarily have to be all the way deep down in this structure. I could be right under My Documents, right-click, go to Folder Guide, and there it is, right there. I can click right on it quickly. Now I can change my settings. I can come in here and I can delete one. If I'm not using that anymore, I can come in here and delete. You can edit them. You can change the order. So there's a lot of really cool things you can do with it. Another neat way you can use it is if you just go down to your Start menu, you can click on Start, right-click, and Folder Guide's right there, and you can quickly pop out to places maybe you go quite often. Like I go out to images a lot and work with images on the internet, and it brings me right there. So very quick access, very effective program. I use it all the time. Saves me a lot of time and energy and effort when I'm trying to find something. Folder Guide, check it out.